Start. The petitioner has filed this petition under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 for granting compensation of Rs 35,67,417 on account of the permanent disability suffered by the petitioner in the vehicular accident dated 26/5/2012. The fact giving rise to the present petition in short are as under. On 26/5/2012, the petitioner was proceeding from Lanja to Kudal by Mumbai Goa National Highway number 17 by driving his motorcycle bearing number MH07M8604 when he reached in front of Government Rest House Rajapur. One Maruti Ritz bearing number MH02BM4068 came from front side with high speed and dashed to the petitioner's motorcycle. The impact was so forceful that the petitioner's right leg, great toe, undergone traumatic amputation and he sustained serious injuries and became unconscious. After the accident, he was admitted in rural hospital Rajapur. Then, due to this critical condition, he was admitted in Gatewell Fracture and Accident Hospital on 26/5/2012 till 11/6/2012. Thereafter, petitioner was taking treatment from Gatewell Fracture and Accident Hospital, Kankavali, and from Sumati Hospital, Kudal, from 12/6/2012 to 9/2/2013. He is taking periodic medical checkup in Sumati Hospital, Kudal, till today. Due to accident, petitioner's right tibia and fibula was fractured and right leg, great toe, undergone traumatic amputation. His right knee and ankle become stiff. During operation, the orthopedic surgeon inserted steel implants to treat the fracture. He has suffered 15% permanent disability due to the accidental injuries. Para. According to petitioner, the petitioner is working in Saraswati Cooperative Bank as a peon and getting monthly salary Rs 20,430. He has no any other source of income except the salary. 3 family members are depends on the petitioner. Due to accidental injuries, he is suffering from tremendous pain and mental agony. As a result of the accident, he was totally restrained to do his daily work. He was also restrained to drive motorcycle and to get back his work. In the aforesaid period, he could not earn money due to the accident. The vehicle of the petitioner was damaged. The petitioner cannot perform his duty and work and able to walk without any help. He has spent huge amount for medical treatment. According to petitioner, the accident was occurred due to rash and negligent driving of the Maruti Ritz by respondent number 1. The offending Maruti Ritz was owned by respondent number 1 and at the time of accident it was insured with respondent number 2 insurance company and the policy was valid. Therefore, the respondent number 1 and 2 are jointly and severally liable to pay total compensation of Rs 35,67,417 as per the detail heads mentioned in the petition with future interest 10% per annum. Para. The respondent number 1 contested the petition by filing written statement Exhibit 21. He denied all allegation in respect of the age, occupation, income of the petitioner, his permanent disability, and the quantum of compensation, and his liability to pay compensation. According to respondent number 1, it was a pure accident. There was no negligence on the part of respondent number 1. In the accident, he submitted that the petitioner was driving the motorcycle with excessive speed in a rash and negligent manner on descending road. He could not control the motorcycle on the turn and thereby gave dash to the Maruti Ridge car, and the accident was occurred due to rash and negligent driving of the petitioner. The petitioner has not made the owner and insurer of the motorcycle as party to the claim. Therefore, the claim is not maintainable for non-joinder of necessary parties. The amount of compensation claimed by the petitioner is excessive and exorbitant, even if the tribunal come to conclusion that compensation is required to be paid to the petitioner. In that event, the Maruti Ridge was insured with respondent number 2, and on the date of accident, the policy was valid. He was holding a valid driving license on the date of accident. Therefore, the respondent number 2 insurance company would be liable to pay the compensation on these grounds. The respondent number 1 prayed for dismissal of the claim. Stop.